Step 1. Open your mobile phone. Step 2. Play the videos. And Step 3. Make money over and over again, as simple as that. So today, I'll show you how to earn $1.50 per video you watch, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is how to earn money online by just watching videos. So right now, let me show you the list of people from all over the world who have cashed out their earnings from this website. So you might be asking, how much can you really earn by watching videos? Well, for one video, you can earn up to $1.50, which means if you watch 10 videos, you can earn up to $15. And if you watch 20 videos, you can earn up to $30. And if you watch 50 videos, you can now earn up to $75. And all you need is just your mobile phone or your computer or laptop. The method which I will be teaching you today is 100% free, so you don't need to invest any money at all. And this is available worldwide, so wherever you are around the world, you can do this. So real quick, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification on. It's free and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. Now let's get started. So the website that we'll be using for today is this one right here. So here on the top, you can see that they have paid over $2.5 million to over 1 million members all over the world. Having that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know from which country you are watching this video from. In that way, I can create specific videos for your region in my future videos. Now let's proceed to the sign up process. So just go ahead and click on this register button at the top right hand corner. And that will then take you to this page right here, where you can register as a member for absolutely free. Now you just have to fill in your full name, date of birth, your username, your password, your email address, and just confirm your email address and your password right here. After that, you can now enter your payment details, where you want to receive your earnings. As you can see, you have different payment options to choose from, such as Payeer, Bitcoin, NetTeller, Skrill, AirTM, Litecoin, Dash, and FaucetPay. With that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know what payment method you prefer. And I'll try to make videos about that as well. After choosing your preferred payment method, you can then continue with the image verification right here. So you just have to type in the letters and numbers which are shown here. And then finally, you have to agree to the terms of service and then just click on register. Now before I forget, this website is called scarletclicks.info. Now once you log into your account, this is how it will look like. You will see a photo with a lot of small boxes. So if you hover your mouse to the lower right side of this photo, which is the last box of this photo, you can see the position. So there are 20 by 28 boxes. That means that there are 560 boxes here in this photo, and one box is equivalent to one video. So all you have to do is just click on one of these boxes, and then you will earn money. So what you're going to do is just choose on one of these boxes right here. And that will take you to a random page. You just have to stay there for at least 30 seconds in order to get paid. For example, if I click on this box right here, that will take me to this page. I just have to wait for 30 seconds and that's it. You don't have to do anything at all. Just stay on the page and just wait. You don't even have to click on anything and you don't even have to sign up. The opportunity is boundless because as you can see, there are 560 boxes and you can choose on any box you like. You'll just keep on earning money over and over again. As a rundown, what you're going to do is just click on any box you want and then stay on that page for about 30 seconds, then you're going to earn money. Now you might be asking, where does the watching video part go? Well, most of the time, if you click on one of these boxes, a video ad will show up. That's good news, because video ads will make you earn double. So all you have to do is stay on that page until the video ends, and then you will earn double the regular earnings. Another thing is that sometimes on these pages, there are banner ads that look like this. Now what you're going to do is click on these banner ads, because every time you click on these, you will earn extra. So what I mean is keep on clicking ads whenever you find some, because that will make you more money, as simple as that. Let me click on this banner ad right here. And that will lead me to this page, where I have to literally do nothing. As I said earlier, you don't have to do anything at all. Now if you're still watching this part of the video, please leave a comment down below to let me know that you're still watching. Now that you're still here, I will be sharing a bonus tip that will help you earn more. And that is by referring other people. So all you have to do is just invite your friends or group of friends and your family here on this website. You can then receive extra money by doing so. As you can see here on the left-hand side, there are direct referrals, rented referrals, rent referrals, and buy referrals. However, you just need to focus on direct referrals only. So people have been earning decent money from this website. And they did that by just referring and watching videos. And that wraps it up. Now if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover the top 3 apps that pay you real money, which are some of the best ways to make money online.